Okay, the second egg dish we're going to do is an omelette. And today I'm going to make a mushroom omelette. So I'm actually going to make it rolled. And I'm going to put the mushrooms in first to saute. So they're slightly cooked before I add the egg mix to them. So just lightly whip our eggs. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning to my omelette. Again, using cracked pepper there, predominantly because that's the way I like it. You can use ground white pepper or cracked pepper as well. So lightly saute the onions, the mushrooms here. Okay, just letting them cook slightly. Down there's a bit of confusion about what a rolled omelette and a folding omelette and a flat omelette and a filled omelette. Today we're doing a rolled omelette in the pan, which has the mushrooms actually mixed into the egg mixture. And that's the way that I prefer to do it, and that's the way that we're going to need it for the competition. So the mushrooms are cooking nicely. I've got a nice sizzle in the pan, so I feel we've got a better temperature in there this time. Just give it a second more. I'm now going to add my egg mix. There's 3 eggs in there. They've gone into the omelette pan. We just let it start to set. And then I'm doing a shaking and stirring, moving around the outside of the pan. As I said at the beginning of the video, I'm using my non-stick pan here, and I think I'm getting a better temperature here. Using the induction top here, you've got to remember that the pan has to stay connected to the top for the heat not to stop. And when the heat stops, that's when you stop losing contact. That's better. Now the omelette is working much better. Okay, so you can see it's still a little bit soft in the middle there. That's just how I like an omelette. I'm just letting the bottom set a fraction more. It's not going to colour yet because there's not too much heat in it. Okay, so it's just literally just setting. You can see it shuffling around in the pan there. Okay, so we're ready to start shaping. So I'm tapping the omelette down into the bottom of the pan, as you can see. Going to fold that bit over first. Okay, tap it down again, fold it over a little bit more, tap it over again, and now we've got our rolled omelette in the bottom of our pan. So we're now turning it out onto the plate like that, and using a nice clean J-cloth, I'm just going to shape it up nicely to go there, and there. Oh, that needs a little bit of a tuck in the bottom there. So there we have it, a mushroom rolled omelette. Thank you.